Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Here you practice listening and speaking Korean. Today we picked a line from a novel. It says, 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Which means, even for those who seem easygoing, if you tap deep inside the heart, you may hear a sad sound somewhere. My goal today is for you to be able to speak this line in Korean after enough practice. All right? But while you're doing that, you will not be seeing the Korean characters. That means you need to focus on listening to be able to speak that. All right? Here, this is what we're going to do. First, I will introduce some words, and then I will have you listen to the Korean sentence several times, and then I will explain it chunk by chunk, okay? And then I will have you listen to it again several times. And then, after you hear the sentence, you will be given a couple of second pause during which you will speak it. All right? That's the speaking practice. All right? First, some words. First word, 무사태평. 무사태평, which means easygoing. 무사태평. Listen again. 무사태평. 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 Okay, I'm not asking you to memorize all these words, which is virtually impossible. I'm just asking you to be familiar with the sounds of these words. We'll be using these words in speaking practice, all right? Just be familiar with the sounds. 무사태평. 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 That's 무사태평. Next one. 두드리다. 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 Right? Which means to tap. 두드리다. 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 Alright, next one. 마음. 마음. 마음, which means heart. 마음. Heart means several things, either in English or in Korean. And here, heart means mind, okay? 마음. 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 마음 is that word. Next one. 곳. 곳 means place. 곳. 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 All right, next word. 깊이. 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 깊이 means deep. 깊이. 깊이. Right? 깊이. 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 Next word. 슬픈. 슬픈 means sad. 슬픈. 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 Alright, next word. 소리. 소리. 소리 means sound. 소리. 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 The last word. 어딘가. 어딘가, which means somewhere. 어딘가. 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 Let's review the vocabulary one more time. 무사태평. 무사태평. easygoing. 무사태평. 무사태평. Next one. 두드리다. 두드리다, which means to tap. 두드리다. 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 Next one. 마음. 마음, which means mind or heart. 마음. 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 Next one. 곳. 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 곳 means place. 곳. 곳. Next word. 깊이. 깊이, which means deep. 깊이. 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 Next word. 슬픈. 슬픈, which means sad. 슬픈. 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 Next word. 소리. 소리, which means sound. 소리. 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 Last word. 어딘가. 어딘가 means somewhere. 어딘가. Excuse me. 어딘가. 어딘가. Alright, that's vocabulary practice. Now the sentence was a little long, so we are practicing chunk by chunk. So the first chunk is even for those who seem easygoing. Okay, listen to its Korean counterpart. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. Okay, 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. 무사태평 is easygoing. 보이다 means seem. 보이다. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. 사람들 means those or people. Those who, right? 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. 도 at the end of this phrase means even. 도 means even, okay? 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. Listen again. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. One more time. 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 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. Now it's time to practice speaking. Okay, I will give you a couple of second pause after you hear it, then you practice it. All right? 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. Were you able to do it? Try again. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. Still one more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. Okay, that's enough for this one. Next part is if you tap deep inside their hearts. Listen to its Korean counterpart. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. Okay, let's analyze it. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. 면 at the end means if. Okay? 마음속 inside their hearts. 마음속 inside their hearts. 깊은 곳을 deep in the deep place. 깊은 곳을 deep place. Okay? 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. If you tap 두드려보면. In this phrase, the subject you is missing. Oftentimes in the Korean language, subject is missing, okay? Because it's clear in context. So you is not here, right? Let's listen to it again. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. Right. Let me analyze it one more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. 마음속 inside their hearts. 마음속 깊은 곳을 deep inside, deep place. 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. If you tap 두드려보면. 면 is if. 두드려보면. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. Listen again. I'm sorry. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. Now it's time to practice, okay? Speaking. I'll give you a couple of second pause, all right? You practice speaking then. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. Did you make it? Try again. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려보면. One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 Still one more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 Okay, that's enough for that. The last one is you may hear a sound somewhere inside. Somewhere there, right? Here we go. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Okay, let's analyze it. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. 어딘가 somewhere 슬픈 소리가 a sad sound. 슬픈 소리가 가 is the suffix for the subject of a sentence, alright? 슬픈 소리가 a sad sound. 슬픈 소리가 난다. You may hear, or it means the sound comes out. Excuse me. One more time. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. 어딘가 somewhere 슬픈 소리가 a sad sound 난다 comes out or you may hear. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Listen again. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. It's time to practice speaking. Okay, I'll give you a couple of second pause after you hear it. Then you practice speaking. Okay, here you go. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Did you make it? Try again. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Still one more time. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Okay, so we practiced chunk by chunk, okay? Now we are going to practice speaking this line all together, right? Since we practiced, you may be able to do it even though this is a long sentence. Okay, let's try it. First, listen to the whole sentence in Korean. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Okay, let's analyze the whole thing. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도, even for those who seem easygoing. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도. Next part. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드리면, if you tap deep inside the heart, 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드리면, 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드리면. One more time. 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드리면. The last part. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. A sad sound comes out somewhere. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. The whole thing one more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드리면 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드리면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Listen again. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Now let's practice speaking, okay? I will give you a couple of second pause after you hear it, then you practice speaking, right? Here you go. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Were you able to do it? Long sentence, but we built it up, so try again. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. One more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Still one more time. 무사태평하게 보이는 사람들도 마음속 깊은 곳을 두드려 보면 어딘가 슬픈 소리가 난다. Alright, that's enough practice, okay? Let me emphasize that in language learning, it is really important to practice again and again. So if you have enough time, you can come back again to this episode 40 and practice again, right? I would really appreciate it if you leave a message on how we practiced. If it was too easy, too fast, or too slow. I would really appreciate it, okay? That's it for episode 40. Thank you and bye.